Hi, I am Sajan Amatya. So, in the practical test of web application programming, we were given to develop a student portal web application that demonstrates key front-end and back-end development skills, including form handling and database integration and CRUD operations. So, let me take you to the web app that I developed. So, Vidya Verse is the student web portal that I developed, which simply is developed to just manage academic information, the student data, and organize it in a proper manner. We were also asked to perform some crude operations to edit the students' data profiles and perform some form handlings and the image handlings. Simply, this can be done in Vidya Verse. The home page of my web portal just simply shows what actually Vidyaverse is. So I've already said that it is simply a student portal that helps in organizing the data. It has the nav bar which has home, login, and dashboard navigations. So if I click in the home button in the nav bar, it redirects me to this page, that is home page. If I click in the login, it redirects me into the login, and if I click into the dashboard, it doesn't take me to the dashboard, because instead it shows an alert message, because a dashboard can't be accessed directly from the home page without logging into the system. So we will be asked to log into the system. Simply, it has some features shown that is not dynamic at the moment, but I just kept it. To log into the system, let's access the portal first. So after clicking in the access portal, we will be redirected to the login page here, where we will need to put our credentials to be logged in. So if you are new to this system, you will first need to register an account to get to the system, to access the features of the system. So if you are new to the system, let's go and register our new account. So here is the registration page where you will be given to enter your valid credentials. So full name, please put your full name here, and here is an email address field where I have performed some form handlings and error handlings. If I keep any invalid email address, then it shows an red signal which says that please enter a valid email address. So we all know what's the valid email address, so let me keep a valid email address here. So now this is an valid email address, so we are shown that we are good to go now. And also I have kept password criterias to handle errors and the form handlings. So first, it needs to be a minimum of 8 characters, and also it needs to fulfill some criterias, like it must need an uppercase, a lowercase, and a special character to move. And if we hit register without completing or entering the fields that are mandatory to be filled, it will show that the fields are empty till now. So in the password field, let's enter the valid password first. Let's hit the invalid one. It shows that it must include uppercase, lowercase, and the special characters. So let's hit the valid in password first. That is an uppercase. Now also I have put the form validation, that is it checks that the password has matched or not. So it shows the passwords matched, and let's put the phone number, the course we are going to study, and our address. Gender, and let's hit the register now. Now we are simply registered into our system, and our data is now simply saved into the database, and we can simply click login here to go to the login page. Now these data are stored in the database here, as you can see. as you can see, the new entered data is now stored here with some necessary fields. So I have created student portal database where it has a table called student with certain fields: full name, email, password, phone number, course address, gender, and a profile photo. I have not entered any profile photo, so it is shown null here. And I have created a db.php file which simply shows the connection between the database and other PHP files, and it also simply forms the foundation for the portal's core functionalities like user registration, login, and profile management, ensuring data integrity and smooth interaction between the application and the database. So after the data is stored, credentials are stored in the database. We can simply log into our system with the same database, same credentials here that is stored. If we enter any of the wrong credentials like this, it doesn't let us enter the system itself. After hitting the valid credentials, we are redirected to the dashboard, which according to the is simply which shows the credentials that was entered firstly in the registered page. It doesn't has any thing more, but home button, dashboard button, edit profile button, and a login button in the nav bar, which simply navigates us to the respective pages. It firstly welcomes the users to the dashboard, which has a static information that was first entered in the registration page. It is not dynamic at the moment, but it just shows the saved informations. So to perform CRUD operations, simply let's click on the edit profile here to edit and some perform some updates. Okay, we are redirected to the edit profile page where we can perform some CRUD operations here. So what do we like to change? We can just change here. Suppose we want to change the name. Okay, if you want to change the name and our email address and also our number, let the course remain the same, and let's also, it was asked to handle the images. So it was asked to handle the images. So let me put my image here and save change. Now it is shown that the profile is updated successfully, and you can see the image is also uploaded here in the profile. And you can also see the database now, that it is updated to that the name is updated, the email is updated, and the number is updated, and we can also see the profile picture is also posted in our profile. uh, and you can see that our dashboard is also updated now with the updated information here. And it also contains the name with the copyright as you have mentioned here. And from here we can also be directed to the home page that I have already shown you. And also now after okay, now after everything is done, every CRUD operations are performed, every forms are handled, every errors are handled, I would like to log out from the system here. So this was simply the student portal that I developed using PHP, HTML, and CSS. This is the source code. I have used db.php for the connections to the database and the other PHP files. This was the total video for the explanation of my web student web portal. Thank you.